Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires, Wheels Direct, and right behind me we have a 2025 Ram ProMaster. We just outfitted with a set of Method wheels. This one is the style MR703 from Method. They come 16x6, bolt pattern 5-on-130. Offset on this wheel is going to be positive 68. So it's factory setup, and then hub centric, guys, so no hub ring needed. It's 78.1. And the tire size we went with is 225 75/16, the factory OEM size. So there's no rubbing. This works plug and play for your factory tire setup. It's load rated for your van, and it gives it a nice off-road type of look, and it sits within the fender. So if you guys are interested in this set, remember guys, it's 16x6, 5-on-130, it's plug and play. And then remember, lug nuts 16x1.5, we do carry them. We'll supply them with the wheels. So if you're interested, don't hesitate. Feel free to give us a call and I'll be happy to help. Thank you guys.